Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video there is a job notification from different companies. Work location is Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh. So let's get started. First is Pfizer. They are hiring operator engineering position. Total we had 150 positions. In order to apply for this position, eligibility criteria is for male candidates, mechanical, automobile, electrical, tool and die. Electrical candidates can apply. When it comes to female candidates, all streams except civil candidates are eligible for this position. And candidate need to score 50% in 10th marks, 60% in diploma and must be less than 22 years. And in the same notification, they clearly mentioned regarding measurement vias, male minimum 50 kgs, female minimum 45 kgs. 2019, 20 batches preferred. For selected candidates, they clearly mention CTC also for annum for first year. Interested candidates can apply for this position. Required documents are updated resume, identification proof, PAN card, Aadhaar card, address proof, passport size photograph and all academics mark sheet, example 10th class mark sheet, inter mark sheet, degree mark sheet, consolidated all semesters. For selected candidates, company is going to provide free transportation, 1 year free accommodation, food during the shift hours and as well as top performing operating engineerings would be supported by higher education, that is BE. Interested candidates can register for this position viewers. Registrations are open. I am going to provide link in description. Next is Hyundai Mobis is hiring trainee operator position. Qualification diploma EEE, ECE, mechanical, automobile. Candidates are eligible for this position. Should clear all subjects. 2018, 19, 20 passed outs are preferred. For selected candidate, salary is 12,000 per month. Only male candidates are eligible, that too below 23 years. Freshers only. And we had total 100 positions. Work location is Penkonda, Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Interview procedure. First round telephonic interview followed by face-to-face interview. For selected candidates, company is providing free transportation, free working lunch will be provided. And registrations last date is 17th Feb 2021. Interested candidates can apply for this position. I am going to provide link in description. Next is Anand Group. They are hiring operating engineer position. Required qualification for male candidates, diploma in mechanical, automobile, metrology, tool and die. For female, diploma in mechanical, automobile, electrical and electronics, EEE, electronics and communication, ECE, production, manufacturing, process engineering, computer science are eligible for this position. And candidate need to score 50% marks in 10th class, 60% in diploma. No standing arrears. History of arrears is allowed. Age limit criteria must be more than 18 years and below 21 years. So year of passing is 2020-2021. And in the same notification they clearly mention regarding CTC also. For the first year, job location is Pan India job. Required documents, updated resume, Aadhaar card as well as PAN card for address proof, passport size photograph and all academics mark sheets. And company is going to provide higher education under Anand Group scholarship program, subsidized food, accommodation, travel expenses, providing good learning and training opportunity. Registrations are open. Interested candidates can register for this job. I am going to provide link in description. Next is Mahindra Finance is hiring trainee positions. Inter candidates like 10+2, graduates in any stream you are eligible for this position. For 12th class, 10,000 salary. For graduates, 11,000 salary. We had 35 vacancies. In the same notification, they clearly mention regarding interview procedure, telephonic interview with consent HR after registration. HR round. Documents to carry: original certificates, Xerox copies, updated Aadhaar, bank passbook, 4 passport size photograph, date of birth proof. Training period 15th Feb 2021 to 14th April 2021. 2 months only. Work location all over Andhra Pradesh. Registrations are open until 12th Feb 2021. Interested candidates can apply for this position. I am going to provide link in description. And viewers, last is Sriranga Motors is hiring viewers. Work location is Vijayanagaram and Srikakulam. They are hiring different roles. Sales executive, inter-degree candidates can apply. 9,000 salary, 24 vacancies. Next, work manager supervisor, mechanics positions are there. Inter-diploma degree candidates are eligible. Salary is negotiable, 4 vacancies. Helper, water washing positions are there. SSC inter candidates can apply as per the company norms, and we had 5 vacancies. And for these all 6 positions, age limit criteria is below 27 years, only male candidates are eligible, and interview procedure includes telephonic interview, company with contact, and HR round. So, required documents are original certificates, Xerox copies, updated Aadhaar card, date of birth proof, bank passbook, 4 passport size photographs, and company providing incentives and conveyance. Those are interested can apply for this position. Last date is 14th Feb 2021, and I am going to provide all important links in description viewers. Through links you can apply or register a particular position which matches to your profile. All the best. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much. All the best for your upcoming interviews. Please do subscribe channel and hit the bell icon to receive all latest job notifications time to time. Thank you very much viewers.